Hello, my name is Vrouwtje. I am product manager at Vogel's Products. I present to you the turn products of our wall range. With these wall mounts you can mount almost any LED TV stylish and easy to the wall. We have them in two sizes, from 32 inch to 55 inch and from 40 inch to 65 inch. There are two models available. For limited turn of your TV, up to 120 degrees, and for full turn, up to 180 degrees. They are sleek and stylish, a perfect fit for your LED TV. A few of the advantages of these products. First, you can move your TV to watch from anywhere in the room. Second, whenever you want to mount your TV high to the wall or you want to reduce glare, you can use the built-in tilt function. And if you don't want to use the tilt function, you click the TV in its home position. Installing the products of our wall range is quite easy. Let's start by unpacking the box. You will see the mounting instructions first. This is a booklet with step-by-step the information you need to mount the wall mount to the wall. You will also find a parts list which shows every part in the box. Also, it mentions all the tools you need to mount this product to the wall. First you see the screen adapter. Then, if you lift this tray, you can place it next to the box, you will see the wall mount itself, but also the mounting kit with screws to attach your TV to your mount, and screws and dowels to place the wall mount on the wall. Here you have some washers and spaces which you can use as optional to mount your TV to this wall mount. And this is the cable clip you can use to guide cables through the arm. If you want more information, please visit our website vogels.com.